Hello students. Now in this class we will discuss adjectives. Now what are adjectives? First of all, let us see this. Adjectives are those words which qualify a noun or a pronoun, which qualify or which define something more about a noun or a pronoun. That is called a adjective. So adjective means qualifying. Qualifying means telling you something extra about a noun or a pronoun. Qualifying noun or a pronoun. Let us see how. If we say she is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. What is the pronoun over here? She. What is the noun over here? Girl. And what's the adjective over here? It's a beautiful. And adjectives defines a noun or a pronoun. She is a beautiful girl. Girl is a noun. Beautiful is adjective. An adjective always comes before a noun or a pronoun. Now this is a noun and this is an adjective. And it is just comes before it. Okay. And it is telling you something extra about this girl. How this girl is, whether she's a beautiful, whether she's a ugly, whether she's a tall, whether she's a short, whatever it's a. It is telling you something, it is giving you an extra information about the girl. So the word beautiful is a adjective. Now let us take one more example. Taj Mahal. Okay. Taj Mahal is a white monument. Taj Mahal is a white monument. So what's the adjective over here? Adjective is white. And which word it is defining or qualifying? It is monument, which is a noun. And this is telling you about this noun, whether it's a white, whether it's a black, whether it's a grey, whether it's a red. It is giving you an extra information about this noun. So this is called the adjective and it just comes before it. So this is called adjectives. Now there are different kinds of adjectives. Let us take one by one each and every part. Now, there are 6 kinds of adjectives, although there are many more, but in this, we are going to study just 6 kinds. Okay, there are 6 kinds of adjective. Let us take first of all, first one, adjective of quality. Second one is adjective of quantity. Okay, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity. Third one is adjective of number. Now there is a very little distinction between quantity and number. We are going to discuss it in detail. Okay. Then the fourth one is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Okay, demonstrative adjective. Fifth one is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Sixth one is emphasizing. Emphasizing adjective. So these are the 6 kinds of adjective. Now let us look once more. First is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and last one is emphasizing adjective. Now let us take one by one in detail. Okay. Now let us take first of all adjective of quality. Now what do you mean by adjective of quality? The word also tells you when an adjective tells the quality of a noun or a pronoun, then it is called the adjective of quality. Now let us take the example. Like the example which I took before, like she is a beautiful girl. Okay, the word beautiful tells you the quality of this girl. Beautiful, ugly, tall, height, short. All these are the qualities. Adjective of quality when it tells you or gives you an extra information about the girls, means in terms of quality, then it is called the adjective of quality. This is a noun and the adjective is placed just before it. Okay, so this is called adjective of quality. Now let us take one more example. Rohan is the tallest boy in the class. Rohan is the tallest boy in the class. So which word is called adjective quality? Tallest. It is placed just before the noun this, and this is adjective of quality because it is telling you the quality of this boy, whether he is the tallest, this is a short boy. So this word is called the adjective of quality. जो किसी की क्वालिटी के बारे में बताता है, then it is called the adjective of quality. Now let us take the next one. This is called adjective of quantity. Now same like the before. Adjective of quantity expresses the quantity or how much a thing it is. Quantity. Understand? So it is called the adjective of quantity. Now let us see an example here. Now look at the sentences. This box contains 10 apples. Okay, so this box contains 10 apples. So what is the adjective over here? It is 10. And what's the noun over here? apples. So this word is giving an extra information about this noun. Now, extra information and in terms of quantity. So it is called the adjective of quantity. How much a thing is. So this is called adjective of quantity. Or we can take one more example. Today is the last day of the festival. Today is the last day of the festival. Now, which word is adjective over here? Last. This is a adjective. And what's a noun over here? Day. It has just come before the noun, last, and as well as it is telling you that it is the last day of the festival. Got it? So this is also called the adjective of quantity. Now let us take another one, adjective of number. Now let us look here. This is third one, adjective of number. Till now what we have done? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity. Now the third one we are doing is adjective of number. Now what is adjective of number? Adjective of number tells us how many people or thing. How many? Adjective of quantity, how much? Adjective of number, how many? So there is a very little difference. Just try to understand now. Let us take an example for that. Like if I say there were 40 people in the auditorium. There were 40 people in the auditorium. So 40 is the number. It is called adjective of number. And people is the noun. Got it? So it is how many. How many. An adjective of quantity, it is how much. So this is the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. There were 40 people in the auditorium. I hope student you might have got the difference between might have understood the difference between the adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Adjective of quantity describes how much a thing is, whereas adjective of number describes how many. So there is a little difference between the two. Rest of the kinds we are going to take in the next class. Till then students, goodbye.